Hi everyone, Sarah Beth Owens, Realtor here. Let's talk about rehab loans. So there's definitely a big stigma out there about them, but they can serve their purpose. So what is a rehab loan? So rehab loan is where you purchase a piece of property that maybe needs some remodel work or maybe needs a lot of work and can't go through the regular conventional or FHA or VA financing. So you would do a rehab loan. So what that involves is, let's say you're purchasing property for $200,000. There needs to be $100,000 worth of work done to the property. So your loan amount is going to be for the full $300,000. During the process of getting the loan, you're going to have a contractor who is registered and certified with the lender, do a bunch of bids on the property for the work that needs to be done and submit those bids to the lender. And then the appraiser is going to make sure that the property appraises for that new amount with all of the remodel work done. So your total loan, you're buying it for $200,000, you need $100,000 worth of work done. So your loan amount is going to be for the full $300,000. So then you go to close on the property, and then the work has to start with that contractor. And depending on what type of loan program you're doing, usually I think it's has to be completed within like 6 months or so with that contractor that's on file. So then you are all done, and then it's in a regular loan package for you. So it's a great opportunity for there's different levels of it, I guess. There's the most common is FHA 203K, and you could do kind of a larger one on that, or maybe there's just one thing or two things that need to get done to make it an FHA eligible home. Like the house needs to get repainted and it needs to have gutters put on. So maybe you just do the rehab loan for just those two little items, or maybe it needs a whole workup of the house. So there's definitely different levels of that. Other options, there's a conventional package for rehab loans, and there's also the hard money route, which you could go for maybe more fixer-up, fix flips kind of properties. If you want to know more, please reach out. I'd love to connect you with some great lender contacts who I know who do these loan programs. They're very specific, and not a lot of lenders like doing them, but I'm connected with some who love doing them and have some great connections for it. So if you want to know more, reach out. Let's have a conversation.